Some things don't break loud.
They just stay with you.
For years,
Quiet as hell.
the things we carry quiet at night.
Don't always show in the morning light. Some stay buried deep out of sight, still shaping how we move through life. The things we carry don't all have names. Some feel like smoke, some feel like rain. Some leave slow and some remain. The things we carry don't leave the same. I used to think pain had to look dramatic. Big moments, hard crashes, something cinematic. But a lot of it ain't like that at all. Sometimes it's just a little thing stacked tall. Like how your chest stay tight for no clear reason. How your mood change with no warning season. How one small comment hit way too deep, cause it found some old bruise you forgot to keep. And folks don't see that, they just see the face, the way you show up and the way you keep pace. They don't see the miles in your head every day, or the way a weight shape the words you say. Some people carry fathers that never came back. Some carry love that slipped through a crack. Some carry shame from a younger age. Some carry dreams that got locked in a cage. And still we walk, still pay bills, still answer texts, still climb hills, still laugh when needed, still show up dressed while holding whole storms under the chest. Things we carry quiet at night don't always show in the morning light. Some stay buried deep out of sight, still shaping how we move through life. The things we carry don't all have names. Some feel like smoke, some feel like rain. Some leave slow and some remain. The things we carry don't leave the same, yeah. That's why I move softer than I used to. Not weak, not vague, just seeing more through. Cause you never know what a face conceal. How much someone learned just to halfway heal. I seen loud people break behind closed doors. Seen calm folks survive all kinds of wars. Seen smiles do time like a clean sky. Seen empty rooms live behind bright eyes. So now I pause before I judge too fast, before I act like one moment is the whole past. Cause life ain't flat and people ain't neat. We all got ghosts walking under our feet. And me, yeah, I got mine too. Old fear, old hurt, old ways I move. Old reflexes built from days gone wrong. Still sometimes showing up when I think I'm strong. But maybe growth ain't deleting scars. Maybe it's learning ain't all bars. Maybe it's knowing what's yours to keep and what could finally be. Sit down deep, lay it down.
Bit by bit, you don't gotta hold all of it.
Yeah, I think that's why nights can feel so true. Less noise outside, less to push through. When the room goes still and the air turns thin, you can hear what's really been living within. Not to fix it all in one grand sweep, not to turn every ache into something. Sometimes the win is just staying there, breathing long enough to be honest with yourself in the air. Cause not every question need instant light, not every burden lift overnight. Some things fade when they've been seen, not solved, just met in a way that's clean. And maybe that's enough for a soul like mine. A little more grace and a little more time, a little less pressure to be all good, a little more truth in the quiet where I stood. So I let the hour move like a slow old train, let the smoke go up like a soft refrain. And I think about all that we never say, and how much of life still gets carried that way.
Things we carry quiet at night
don't always show in the morning light. Some stay buried deep out of sight, still shaping how we move through life. The things we carry don't all have names. Some feel like smoke, some feel like rain. Some leave slow and some remain. The things we carry don't leave the same.
the things we carry.
Hey, maybe let one go, not all at once, just a little slow. There might be enough for the heart to know. The things we carry can change their whole.
Quiet wait, slow release.
Some things stay,
Something leaves.
something.
Some things leave.
just ride, just flow. Late night, windows down, smoke curling in the air. Cruising through the city like I ain't gotta care. Rose piano humming, bassline rolling deep. Just the kind of night to put your worries to sleep. Street lights flickering, reflecting on the road. Feeling every note like it's lighting up my soul. West Coast state of mind, got the vibe on lock. Time don't mean a thing when the music never stops. Hazy midnight ride, just me in the night sky. Smoke drifting slow, nowhere left to go. Hazy midnight ride, feel the bass real low. Let the city glow, just ride, just flow. Saxophone crying somewhere down the block. Old school feeling got me turning back the clock. 90s on my mind, got the retro in my veins. Underground vibes washing out the city stains. Purple smoke rising up into the sky. Cosmic frequencies got me feeling high. Deep in the groove, lost inside the sound. Feet off the ground, still I never left the ground. Just breathe, just roll, just vibe, let go. Wind through the window, night swallows the noise. Just the hum of the engine and that lo-fi voice. Roll another mile, let the music take the wheel. Ain't no destination, only chasing how I feel. Blues in my blood and jazz up in my chest. West Coast, midnight hour, man, it's feeling's best. Stone state of mind, but my thoughts running clear. Everything is mellow when the bass is near. Hazy little world spinning slow and right. Gonna ride this feeling till the morning light. Hazy midnight ride. Hazy midnight ride, just ride, just vibe. Strange how a single moment can slow everything down. Like the world finally takes a breath.
Ashes in the air tonight, floating past the city shine. Every second feels aligned with a calmer state of mind. Ashes drifting out of sight, carrying the weight of time, leaving heavy thoughts behind. Somewhere in the sky,
leaning on the balcony rail, watching headlights trail through the midnight avenue like a glowing tail. Cold breeze across my face, cars fade without a trace. Funny how a slower pace changes how we see the race. All day, voices loud, people pushing through crowds. Every promise wrapped in pride, every dream said out loud. But standing here alone under the open dome, I remember that a throne isn't always made of stone. Hey.
ashes in the air tonight, floating past the city shine. Every second feels aligned with a calmer state of mind. Ashes drifting out of sight, carrying the weight of time, leaving heavy thoughts behind. Somewhere in the sky,
I seen laughter, high regret. I seen winners drown in debt. I seen plans that people bet turn to lessons they forget. Watched ambition turn to dust. Watch success replace trust. Funny how the loudest goals lead the smallest of us. Sometimes wisdom moves slow like a river below. Not a storm or a show, just a quiet undertow. And the longer that I stay, watching lights fade away, the more clearly I can say peace was never far away. Let the moment breathe.
let the moment breathe.
Let the evening speak.
Let the evening speak.
Maybe life is in a climb, maybe life is just time passing softly through our hands like an unfinished rhyme. Maybe meaning isn't fame or the fortune of a name. Maybe meaning's just a flame that survives inside the rain. So I stay a little longer, let the darkness grow stronger, till the city's restless hunger starts to feel a little smaller. And the drifting ember glow reminds me what I know, everything we chase below, eventually let's go.
Ashes in the air tonight,